I will show you how to find the area of this right angle triangle in a two different way. For the first half of this video, I will introduce a way that even primary school student can understand. And in the second half, I will use a high school math. Right. The first one, I would like to introduce two skills to figure out the answer for this one. First one is how to find the area of the rectangle. And then second one is the concept of lines and the circle, okay? So how do you find the area of the triangle? Area of the, not triangle, rectangle. Area of rectangle is found if you count the number of square units inside of the shape. So this is a three set of 4 square units there. So that means 3 times by 4 gives you answer. So what you want to figure out, how you want to figure out the area is base times by height. And then this one is 12 square centimeter. The second skill I want to show is the lines and the circle. If there is a circle, there is a center of the circle, isn't it? If you draw a line from here to the point which is touching the line, this one always create right angle triangle here. No, right angle here, okay? Then if I draw this one here, you can create right angle here as well. Then if you look at this one is a radius, this one is radius, so this one has the same length, isn't it? Okay? And then if I draw a line in the middle here to here, like this, you can see this triangle and this triangle is exactly the same shape, but they're reflecting each other, okay? Because this line is shared, and then this length to this length and this length is the same. So this triangle and this right angle triangle are exactly the same shape. So if you understand these two, you can actually find the area of this right angle triangle. I draw a line, these kind of lines here, like this, okay? Then how you figure out is if you fit these triangles and the square around, and then you change the form so that you can use rectangle, or you can change this area into rectangle, you can find the answer. So that I will show you how to transform this one into rectangle. First, I will draw a line like this. Then this one is a rectangle, which is double size of this right angle triangle, isn't it? Then I fit this colored paper as a one of the triangle, and then I cut this one along these lines, like this, okay? And then I will rearrange this colored paper so I can make square around here, okay? Then remember the colored paper's area and the blank paper's area is exactly the same. So I cut this one off like this, then this one off too. So if you cut this one off like this, I will turn it around and then fit here, and then turn it around and then fit here like this. Then if you look at this area, this you manage to make a rectangle here, isn't it? Okay? And how long is from here to here? This one used to be here, okay? Right? So this one was 4 centimeter. So if you move it around. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, this one came from here. So this side is 3 centimeter. So if you flip and put like this side is 3 centimeter. Okay, which means the area which you created here as a rectangle, the length from here to here is 4. From here to here is 3 centimeter, isn't it? So the area of this one is 3 times by 4, which is 12 square centimeter. And then the white space of the shape is exactly the same as the colored paper shape, area of the colored paper. So this one is gonna be the answer, as this one came from the original shape, which is this triangle. So 12 centimeters square is the answer. Done. Right now, I will show you how to find the area of this right angle triangle using high school math. Okay, first I want to put the line here as a radius of the circle. Then I will label the radius is R. And if you put R like that, and then if you, for example, if you draw a line here, you can create the exactly the same shape here and here, which is congruent. So that is, this one is 4, and then this one is also 3, isn't it? Then that length here is R in R. Then you can use Pythagoras. This squared plus this squared is this squared, isn't it? So if I write that equation here, R plus 3 squared plus R plus 4 squared is 7 squared, isn't it? And if you expand this one, it becomes like this. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Right. Then next, you add the like terms and then move this one on the left. Then you can divide by 2 on both sides. So R squared plus 7R minus 12 equals 0. And if you use quadratic formula, you can find the answer for this one. R is 2 minus 7 plus minus square root 7 squared, 49. Take away negative 4 times negative 12, which is 48, right? Then this one becomes negative 7 plus minus square root 49 plus 48 is 97, which is a prime number, so you can't undo this square root. But anyway, what we figured it out is this length, isn't it? Which is, we can't have negative number here because we can't have negative length as a radius, isn't it? So this one is not gonna be answer. So the R should be square root 97, take away 7 over 2. I just wrote this one because this one is a bigger number. Okay. Then if you look at this length, if you add this number plus 4 gives you this length, isn't it? Okay. And then if you add 3 on top of this one, you get this length, isn't it? Right, let's see the base. So this plus this means this plus this, right? And then 4 means 8 over 2, right? Which means the base is square root 97 plus 1 over 2. Okay, then this one is a 1 less than this length, isn't it? Which means if you take 1, which is 2 over 2, then you can find height, so which is 3 plus r is square root 97 take away 1 over 2. So if you do, this is a base, this is a height, to figure out the area of this triangle, this times this, and then divide by 2, isn't it? So I rewrite this one. So denominator, it's gonna be 4. This is just base times height. So in the end, we need to divide by 2. Okay. Then this one is denominator as square root 97 plus 1 square root 97 minus 1, isn't it? So this is a type of a plus b bracket a minus b. If you expand this one, a squared minus b squared, isn't it? Which means if you expand this one, square 97 times square 97 is 97. And then take away 1 times 1, which is 1, which is 96 over 4, which is 24. And then you need to do divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the answer is 12 square centimeter, which is the same answer as the previous video. So 12 centimeter is the answer. Done.